Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 3 insane fresher openings for you. And when I say insane, I mean it. This one is from Tesla, S&P Global and super solid developer role at Slash Labs. So make sure to watch till the end because I will be quickly covering responsibilities, qualifications, salary and locations. So let's start with the biggest one. Tesla is hiring for the role of front-end software engineer and the location is Delhi. This is an in-office role and you have to work 5 days a week and it is a full-time role. Eligibility is simple. Any computer science or related field degree holder can apply. Salary is not disclosed officially, but as you see on the screen, for freshers with 0 to 1 year as a front-end developer, you can get 18 to 20 lakhs per year. It may vary because the front end is not mentioned, but the 0 to 1 year of experience in India is mentioned. Now let's talk about what you will actually do here. You will design and develop real production level applications. You will write clean and maintainable code. You will work on unit testing, integration testing, and production releases. You will monitor live systems and fix real time issues. So, this is not a basic internship, this is core front end engineering. Technical skills they are looking for are strong knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript ES6. Understanding of REST APIs, Angular knowledge is important, database fundamentals and SQL understanding, tools like NPM, Yarn, White, and GraphQL is a plus. This is a premium level opportunity and imagine starting your career with Tesla on your resume. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from S&P Global Market Intelligence and they are hiring for the role of apprentice in software development or engineering. The location is Gurugram and the experience required is 0 to 1 year, so freshers can definitely apply. Program duration is 12 months and this is a hybrid with minimum of 2 days in office. And this is not a random internship. You will work on cloud native development, CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as code, monitoring and logging, and data engineering problems. They are looking for graduates in BTech, CS or IT branch. 2024 or 2025 passouts can apply. Knowledge of Python, SQL or RDBMS, basic of AWS understanding, and strong communication skills is expected. You will collaborate with DevOps teams, you will build scalable products, and you will learn real enterprise engineering. So, yeah, this is a financial tech engineering exposure and it has a massive brand value. Now, coming to the third opportunity, this one is from Slash Labs and they are looking for junior developer. Experience required is 0 to 1 year and this is a full-time permanent role. This location is ideal for recent graduates. You will work on one stack development including MongoDB, Express, React and Node. Languages like JavaScript and Python is important. Backend support, REST API integration and debugging with optimization is expected. They are looking for basic JavaScript ES6, basic Python, understanding of REST APIs, database basics, and problem solving mindset. If you have a personal projects or GitHub, that's a big plus. And yeah, these are not small openings. If you're a fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience candidate, this is your time. Make sure to check out by using the link in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.